Modern world is changing at a phenomenal rate. It's hard to imagine what it will be like in a couple of years. Global trends are already clearly visible. Large corporations in pursuit of material gain ignore the needs of ordinary people. Each of us individually lacks the means and influence to change traditional social patterns. But we are on the cusp of a major reset, where human opportunities and potential can finally gain the present value. To change the negative scenario of mankind development, the international social venture ecosystem Sky World Community was created, allowing everyone to influence the world through a community of like-minded people. Our ecosystem is made up of 3 areas that reinforce each other in a whole entity format. Financial platform. This is a unique system of IT solutions, a constantly developing personal account with adapted multi-stage verification. We generate the best marketing offers, analyze the user journey and provide a quality service. Our platform solution has enabled us to attract major funding in innovative green technologies at the level of successful international investment funds, while enabling SWC community partners to achieve their goals and achieve financial independence. Online university for the professions of the future. Smart World Community is a serious growing IT product, a competitive platform of training courses in the most demanded areas at the moment, such as personal brand development, sales, video, social media, networking, communications and many others. All of this is assembled on a single platform, which is a proprietary LMS system, and is designed for the comprehensive growth and development of our community members. A community of like-minded people around the world. More than 600,000 people of different professions and religious beliefs, age and gender, living in more than 200 countries are changing the future right now. We, as a single organism, are actively working to accomplish the main goal to make 10% of the world's population financially independent. Sky World Community is a well-built architecture of the world community, eco-friendly relationships, interactions and thoughts, financial comfort, stability and guarantees. It is awareness and striving for improving your own life and the lives of future generations. For those who choose the best in their lives, we have created the Premium Club. Partners who have confirmed their status in the SWC community will receive the most favorable financial terms and additional privileges while continuing to grow steadily in our social and financial ecosystem. We are already a driver of technological evolution and are ready to be the first to finance those projects in which major financial players see high risks. We are confident that these very directions will become the basis of the new technological mode and will determine the strategically correct vector of development of our civilization. We unite the efforts of ordinary people to support innovative technologies and preserve the environment of the Earth. Our strength is in synergy. We bring forth the new through creation, not destruction. Our partners consciously choose a future in which they can achieve their full potential. Everyone can create a world that others will want to join. Join Sky World Community. Together we are shaping a new, environmentally friendly, safe and comfortable reality for us, our children and future generations. We create the future and finance it.